What makes a VPA process inclusive of women is the aspect of community participation. Communities now have a seat at the table to discuss. Now, those who are representing communities are under obligations to go back to the communities and share with them the discussions and get their feedback. Because when they come to those discussions, they don't come with their own views. They come with the views of the communities. And the meetings that they are having at the level of the communities should be participatory. It's supposed to have women voices, youth voices, the elders, and all of that. So with that kind of process, women now are able to input into the discussion.